Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create your own YouTube channel from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create your own YouTube channel from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in youtube.com and hit enter. And after that, you can see this is the home page of YouTube itself. Let's let it load. And on the top right corner of your screen, you can see there is your profile picture icon on the top right corner of your screen. Click over there, and on this category you can see I have already logged into my Gmail account on my YouTube platform. You'll be required to do the same in order to create your channel. And after doing that, you can see the create a channel option available over here. Click on create a channel, and again create a channel. This is the name or interface which will be shown on your YouTube channel. And after that, you can see this is your channel over here, but in order to proceed you will be required to customize the channel. Let's click on customize channel, and you'll be redirected to the Creator Studio or the YouTube Studio itself. Let's click on continue, and on this interface you can see this is your channel where you will be seeing the content option where there is no content because this is a new channel, the playlist. And you'll be required to first customize your channel by laying out your channel and with some branding info and with some basic info over here. And after that, click on settings to go through general like what's your currency and channel details, on advanced settings of feature eligibility of the channel itself, and with upload defaults and permissions, community agreements. If you have customized all of them, and you can start to create and post content on your channel over here. And then guys, this is how you create a YouTube channel on your YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.